Hey, I'm about to turn 2023 into the most profitable year you ever had. This isn't an empty promise. I've done it with thousands of other people. Our members combined made over $579,000 in profits. We plan on doubling that in 2023. And today, I'm inviting you to be a part of that. What if I told you you can get access to 11 hottest new income streams right now? I'm talking about income streams that cover every possible niche, vertical, or business model. Everything from affiliate marketing, Netflix business, website funnel design, e-commerce, dropshipping, crypto, SEO, paid ads, free traffic, video marketing, everything. And it consistently produces results like this. And this. Here's the best part. You don't need to put in much work. All you need is just a few minutes to activate your profit-pulling campaigns, and you can do that by following dead simple instructions. Then you're done. You're ready to make 2023 the most profitable year for you ever. Listen, we launched 11 blockbuster products in 2022. Every single one of those products sold tens of thousands of copies and generated hundreds of success stories. And most importantly, got our members payments like these on a daily basis. Listen, aren't you tired of making a promise to yourself to achieve your goal each new year and never follow through? It's not your fault. You didn't have the proper guidance or mentorship. It's like going to the gym with zero knowledge about how to lift weights, and there's no instructor to tell you what to do. How are you expecting to see results? But with this New Year bundle deal, I'm about to change that. I'm giving you all the guidance you need and coach you to success and give you everything you need to make 2023 the most profitable year you ever had. With over 11 highly successful products and, most important, proven to work systems. You got nothing to worry about. You'll find details about each product in the page below. But for now, let me tell you this. If you try to go and buy those products, it'll cost you $2,167. You can go check the price and pick each product yourself. But I know 2022 has been a hard year for all of us. And with all the economic crisis happening in the world, it wouldn't be fair for me to charge you all that money. So I created what I believe is the best bundle to ever hit the market. Today, you can access our entire 2022 portfolio of products, which consist of 11 ultra-profitable products, for less than the price of a cheap dinner. Instead of $2,167? Yup, you heard that right. You'll find all the details about every single product below. I'm giving you the power to change all of that. I'm putting the power back in your hands by giving you all the apps, tools, and training you'll ever need to go from nothing to life-changing income. Nothing is left behind. No technical nonsense to deal with. No headaches to get traffic. We've taken care of everything for you, 100%. So are you ready to change your life? Are you ready to make 2023 the best year of your life? All for less than the price of a cheap dinner? Click the link below because this will not be around for long. I can guarantee you that. Oh, and in the rare event that you didn't think Profit Resolution was worth every penny you paid and more, send a mail to our 24/7 customer support and we'll refund every penny you paid instantly. So there, I removed all the risks for you, and I made this a no-brainer gift for you. Go ahead and click on the link below, and I'll see you inside.